If you had told me 40 years ago, as a 10-year-old, that I would be here talking to groups on stage, I would simply not have believed you. Because I'm an introvert, I've always been a words person rather than a dance on the tables, be the loudest person at the party kind of person. But I found myself at drama school. I'd studied English at university and I landed at drama school and they said to me, "You're in your head. You've got no presence. You've got no resonance. You're not filling the stage. You're not listening. You're not in your body." And I heard all of this stuff and it's like someone saying, he or she, you don't have enough gravitas. You might have heard people say that, she doesn't have enough gravitas. They don't have enough gravitas. And I remember hearing that, and we're going to get to the gravitas word. By the way, if you think gravitas, not sure if I want that, we're going to come to this, okay. I had to learn how to find the presence that I didn't have, how to get out of my head so that I could fill a space, how to center myself when I was nervous. And all of these things that people said were magic, you know, they're just naturals. That's rubbish. Nobody's just a natural at this stuff. Nobody comes out of their mum fully able to speak on stage.